the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, fully automatic headlights, tilt steering wheel, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.